Sa pagdiriwang natin ng Kapaskuhan ngayong taon, isapuso natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, ang pagkilos ng magkakasama bilang isang komunidad at isang institusyon. Ang Pasko ay panahon ng pagtutulungan kung saan wala dapat maiiwan at ang bawat isa ay bahagi ng pagbangon at tagumpay. May this season inspire each and every tiger to reach out to those in need, extend our blessings, and build a stronger NCF community and beyond. Together, let us move forward with a commitment that no one will be left behind. Let us ensure that every Enciano, Nagueño, and Bicolano is valued and uplifted. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat.
Paskong may pagkakaisa.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence in service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges.
Wednesday afternoon everyone, para sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin ng live dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium and of course sa ating mga Facebook pages. We have the Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. At ngayon nga po medyo malamig sa labas but still a heated matchup between these two teams. We are now on the finals game 3 of our two of the greatest teams for our juniors division. It is the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. At ayan nga po, napakaganda na maging bakbakan natin ngayong hapon na to dahil umabot pa po tayo sa ating finals game 3 kung saan nung game 2 nga po ay nakuha ng ACLC Hawks yung napakagandang momentum dito leading by Basagre. Napakagandang performance yung ipinakita niya dito and of course talagang ngayong hapon na ito bakbakan kung bakbakan. Will it be the Naga College Foundation Junior Cubs or the ACLC Hawks that will go home with a win and become the champion of our Bucal Season 6. Kaya kaabang-abang po talaga yung magiging laban ng ating dalawang kupunan. And of course, ito pag-usapan natin yung nangyari during the game 2 of our finals game 2. Nung last game ng ating NCF Tigers, naramdaman natin na during the first half of the game, andun yung magandang communication and connection of the players from the side of the NCF Tigers. Pero pagpasok ng third quarter, dito na umarangkada itong ating ACLC Hawks kung saan na medyo hindi na naging maganda yung performance dito ng ating NCF Tigers at umabot pa sa napakalaking kalamangan yung nagawa dito ng ating ACLC Hawks na hindi na nga nagawa ng paraan ng NCF Tigers para humabol at bigyan pa tayo ng napakagandang laban dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. And of course, dito naman sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs, pagkakataon na sana nila yon para makuha ulit yung kanilang kampiyonato for our Bucal Season 6 but still hindi po nagawan ng paraan at ngayong hapon na to dikdikan kung dikdikan yung magiging labanan ng ating dalawang kupunan. Kaya napaka-exciting po dahil maulan-ulan sa labas pero dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium siguradong mainit na laban ang ibibigay sa atin ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, on the side of the ACLC Hawks, andyan si John Bernard Basagre, we have Guarin, Bien na talagang grabe. Step up doon sa kanilang performance doon sa ating game number 2. And of course, on the side of the NCF Tigers, wala dito yung ating power duo na si Vargas as well as Borromeo na naging maganda yung performance nila during the game 1. Pero dito sa ating game number 2, hindi natin sila naramdaman at titingnan natin kung ano nga bang gagawin ng ating NCF Junior Cubs para ngayong hapon na ito makuha nila yung panalo at maibalik yung corona sa side ng Naga College Foundation. Of course, alam ko pong excited na kayong lahat para mapanood itong bakbakan ng ating dalawang kupunan. At kung excited po kayo, comment down below dahil babasahin po natin maya-maya ang inyong mga shoutout. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga gustong magpabate. At ngayon, para mapakinggan natin on the side of the NCF Tigers kung ano nga ba yung pagbabago sa kanilang game plan to get this win this afternoon, we have our courtside reporter, Maui. Hi Maui, anong update natin dyan?
Two teams, one championship. It's the battle for the ultimate glory. A high-energy afternoon, basketball fans from all around the Bicolania. I am Maui Balane and I welcome you to the most climactic showdown of this electrifying series. This afternoon, we will be having one of the pillars of the NCF Cubs. He served as the catalyst as to why the Cubs' journey have been smooth all throughout this season. He is awarded as the Bucal Season 6 Coach of the Season, none other than Coach Alwin Margallo. Coach, hello, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations for being hailed as the Bucal Season 6 Coach of the Season. Now, Coach, dako na tayo sa game plan ng team nyo for today's matchup. Coach, how did you recalibrate your game plan to ensure that you will notch the victory for this game and also to win the championship?
Tingnan ko na sila, nausap ko na after the game nung Sunday. Sabi ko, for this coming game 3, talagang wala nang urungan, wala nang mag-conserve ng energy, so buhos lahat. Sabi ko sa kanila, this game, talagang dito makakasubukan kasi sabi ko sa kanila, almost half of the team graduating. So sabi ko, ibuhos na lahat na ibubuhos, kaya dapat wala nang bukas. Kumbaga, lahat ibuhos, lahat yung kailangan ng lakas.
Alright, we are expecting na maging all-out talaga yung action ngayon ng NCF Cubs. And also, Coach, now that both of the teams are tied in this series, is that an added pressure or a motivation to the team?
Siguro parehas. Pressure and motivation. Kasi sabi ko sa kanila, di sa championship already, hindi na to elimination. So, we tied the series. So, we have 1-1, 1 lose, 1 win. So, this time, talagang sabi ko sa kanila, huwag natin pabayaan na makuha pa ng kalaban yung kampeonato.
Alright, thank you so much, Coach Alwin Margallo. And of course, all the best to the NCF Cubs. A heart and soul that's yearning for redemption as the Cubs were not able to win the championship last Sunday because the ACLC Hawks make a remarkable performance that extended the finals. Now whose fate is set to be the Bucal Season 6 champions? We will find it out only here at Bucal Season 6 where future rise. Balik sa'yo, Tin.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan, mukhang handang-handa nga ngayong hapon na itong ating NCF Tigers to really get this win dahil nga na-pressure ni sila during the second game. But now, they are really ready to snatch that win against the ACLC Hawks. At talagang aabangan na natin muli yung mga players on the side of Coach Alwin. We have Loria, Vargas, Borromeo, Sutpin, Aike, and the rest of the players of the NCF Tigers na kukumpleto ng magandang bakbakan ngayong hapon na ito. But on the side of the ACLC, ito yung nakaka-excite dahil the players, the team, talagang napakaganda nung naging combination of the players dito sa ating finals. Talagang Basagre, andyan, gumagawa ng sarili niyang pangalan, and of course kalaban niya pa yung kanyang former school, kaya kaabang-abang yung magiging bakbakan nitong ating dalawang kupunan. At ano pa kaya yung maipapakita dito ng ating ACLC Hawks to really get this win and talagang to make a history for their school dahil andyan naman yung talagang ever supported na crowd ng ating ACLC Hawks na hindi sila pinabayaan from the elimination round present, from the quarterfinals present, semifinals andyan pa rin, and up until the finals mas grabe yung suportang ibinibigay dito ng ating ACLC community na malaking bagay at malaking tulong para sa mga players ng ating ACLC Hawks. Kaya ngayong hapon na ito, ano pa kaya yung maipapakita ng ating mga players? And of course, John Bernard Basagre, ano pa yung kaya niyang ibigay para sa kanyang kupunan para matikman yung championship para dito sa side ng ACLC. At para malaman natin ang game plan ng side ng Hawks, we have our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita on the side of the ACLC?
Good afternoon, Tin, and good afternoon, basketball fans. Welcome to today's much-anticipated showdown between the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers live here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. I am your courtside reporter from the side of the ACLC Hawks, Shulamor Zaimeniano, and it's a perfect day for some basketball action. Well, both teams are coming into this game with something to prove. ACLC has been on fire recently, riding the momentum of their recent winning, while NCF is hungry for a win to boost their standings for this final. This matchup promises to be an exciting clash of strategies, talent, and sheer determination. But of course, the ride or die game wouldn't be possible without the mentors of this team. That's why we have here the head coach of the ACLC Hawks, Coach Paul De Sonco. Coach, halika na dito. Magandang hapon sa'yo. So Coach, we're going against the NCF Tigers for the third time this finals. Anong nararamdaman natin na umabot pa sa ikatatlong laro?
Siyempre, we are excited and we prepare for this game 3. I hope we execute and yung mga bata namin magawa yung dapat.
So Coach, patapos na nga ang Season 6 and it's about to start. Season 7 is about to start next year. So ano ba ang dapat namin na-expect from the ACLC Hawks sa susunod na season ng Bucal?
To be honest, wala pa akong idea when it comes to Season 7. As of now, yung focus ko is for this Game 3, which is the finals. At least makuha namin yung unang champion namin because this is history for the school of ACLC.
Okay, so Coach, may gusto ka bang pasalamatan?
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat po ako sa administration, school owner, po si Adrian, Ma'am Stephanie Litam, and to my coaches and players. We prepare not only X and O's. This is not about the game anymore. It's about puso and relationship from the coaches and the players.
Maraming salamat, Coach Paul, and good luck on today's game. There we have it, our head coach of the ACLC Hawks. But of course, we would like to know naman kung ano ba ang reaction of some of our live audiences here on Ateneo de Sta Gymnasium. Kaya let's try to search for some watchers here at the Ateneo. Hold on for a while. So let's ask for someone in here. Oh, so it seems like later on we're going to interview someone, but for now, let's focus on the game. So Tin, balik muna sa iyo.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, the ACLC Hawks is really now ready. Coach Paul having that determination to really get their win this afternoon because this will be a history sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Kasi parang napakaganda lang na yung magiging kalaban nila dito is isa sa pinakamagaling sa season na ito. And getting the championship is a bonus for them. Talagang napakaganda nung nagiging game plan dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Umabot ng finals, napakaganda ng performance, and of course, kalaban pa nila yung ating NCF Tigers. Kaya naman ngayong hapon na ito, will it be a history on the side of the ACLC Hawks or the NCF Tigers will get back their championship title this afternoon? So a lot of things can happen here, a lot of adjustment on both sides. Kaya naman talagang kaabang-abang po yung magiging bakbakan ng ating dalawang kupunan. At isa din sa napakalaking factor dito na sabi na nga ni Zai as yung mga supporters, the community of the NCF and the ACLC Hawks na walang sawang sumusuporta dito sa ating dalawang eskwelahan. At ngayon, titingnan natin on the side of the NCF Tigers kung gaano ba nila pinaghandaan ng ating NCF community yung pag-support nila dito sa side ng Naga College Foundation Tigers. And of course, babalikan natin si Maui na meron ng kasama ngayon. Hi Maui! Sino kasama mo at anong nararamdaman nila ngayong hapon na to?
The excitement is palpable here at the Ateneo Gymnasium with fans eagerly anticipating a thrilling matchup. At kasama nga natin dito si Krista, Pauline, and Hannah. Hello guys! Sinong team yung sinusupport nyo for today's matchup?
Siyempre po, NCF!
Alright, ano yung ina-expect nyo na mangyayari for today's game? Ano yung ina-expect nyo sa NCF Cubs?
Champion po, siyempre!
Alright, thank you so much guys. And of course, all the best to the NCF Cubs. Balik sa iyo, Tin.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan, kung excited na excited on the side of the NCF community, talagang handang-handa na din sila ngayong hapon na ito na gumawa ng ingay, magbigay ng suporta, and of course, shout out para sa lahat ng NCF community na nanonood dito ng live sa ating Ateneo Gymnasium, and of course dito sa loob ng Ateneo, and live na live po sa ating mga Facebook pages. Kaya maraming salamat po. Grabe yung mga energy ng mga manonood ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya talaga namang in just a few minutes, we're going to start this epic battle of two of the greatest teams sa ating juniors division. It's the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. And of course, this is the last day na po ng ating Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League for this season. What a great journey, what a great set of players as well as the teams. Lahat nagbigay ng magandang memories sa atin, most especially yung mga kupunan na talagang nag-step up ngayong season na ito from the juniors to the seniors. Grabe din yung nilaban nila up until the end. Kaya congratulations po sa lahat ng sumali, sa lahat na nag-participate, and of course sa lahat po ng parte ng journey ng Bucal Season 6. Napakagandang memory po, napakagandang alaala para sa ating lahat, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime moment para sa ilan. And this is the greatest thing na mangyayari, most especially sa ating mga players, na taon-taon meron silang natututunan, taon-taon may nai-imply sila sa kanilang mga sarili as a player. And talagang ginagamit nila to improve every year. At ngayon, yung mga supporters din, napakalaking ambag yung ibinigay nila sa kanilang kupunan. And now, speaking of the fans. Meron din kasama ngayong hapon na ito ang ating courtside reporter from the ACLC side. Hi Zai, sinong kasama mo?
Maraming salamat din. Nandito na nga tayo sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium and we have here with us some of our viewers here live at tanungin natin sila kung ano ba ang ina-expect nila sa larong ito. So here we have it, 2 of our viewers. Magandang hapon sa inyo. So ano ba ang ina-expect nyong mapanood sa larong ngayong araw?
Ang mangyayari po this game parang super intense po, like magiging crowded ang buong ADNU, tapos sa tingin ko po mag-go overtime kasi final round to eh. Ito na yung time na na hinahangad ng mga player both side. Yun lang po.
Ikaw naman, ano na ba ang ini-expect mo sa loob na atin?
Okay, first of all, di ko po ini-expect na ganito pala ang mangyayari sa finals, and di ko pa in-expect na makakapasok po sa finals ang ACLC, and good luck na lang po sa dalawang kung sinong manalo ngayon.
So sa tingin nyo ba, sino ang may mataas na chance ang manalo sa araw na to?
ACLC, malamang.
ACLC.
Maraming salamat. There you have it. 2 of our viewers here live on Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And we're about to start the game soon, so let's focus muna for now sa yotin. This is Shulamar Zaimeniano here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, full support din talaga itong ating ACLC community. Kaya naman handang-handa na din sila sa kung ano pa yung kayang ipakita dito ng ating Hawks ngayong hapon na to against the NCF Tigers. Mangyayari ba ulit yung nangyari during the game number 2 kung saan naiwan nila yung NCF Junior Cubs during the second half of the game, or babawi itong ating NCF Tigers at patuloy ang kanilang pag-arangkada dito? And the situation here sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium ay talagang padami na ng padami po yung mga supporters nitong ating dalawang kupunan, kahit pa medyo malakas malakas na nga po talaga yung ulan natin sa labas, at kaya ingat-ingat po sa lahat po ng papasok dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium. And of course, kung hindi man po, live naman po tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages. We have the One Media, Bucal Facebook page, and Oragon Sports TV. And of course, shoutout din natin dito yung mga live viewers natin. Shoutout kay John Corlo, Sarion Mamonong, Jocelyn Narvaez Canale, Mercy Palpalatok, Aldrin Nuwada, Iya Ralbus, Ivan Hermosa, Franco Mase, Jajin Joshua Rodrigueza, Dapsy Fernandez, Micaela Halores, Wamwam O'Connor, Jethro Morales, Danica Sandagon, Aiza Borromeo, Von Hernandez, Brent Rudolph Suarez, kay Richard Alegado, Eliza Marie Pinto, Cynthia Mary, kay Irish Gabriel, kay Joshua Antiga, kay Justin Burlasa, at kay Francisco Zape. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. At talagang andito na po, full support na. And in just a few minutes, we were going to start this epic battle of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Junior Cubs. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back again here inside the Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium for the face-off of our Game 3 of the finals ng ating dalawang kupunan, the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. At ayun nga po, magsisimula na itong ating bakbakan ng ating dalawang kupunan, and we're just waiting here for just a few minutes. And shout out dito kay Aiza Borromeo, John Russell Villano, Maria Verna Cortez Mendoza, Carl Francis Regidor, Romel Pallejera, Willie Obnyala, Jed Aguilion, kay Mark Lester Mission, kay Kenneth Barcela, at kay Sheila Rivson. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. At ayan nga po, itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito talagang handang-handa na ngayong hapon na ito na magbakbakan. And of course, maraming na po sa atin ang nag-aabang para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating finals Game 3. And now, ang dami na din nanonood sa atin ng live dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout to Rosaline Cambusa, Terry, Rafael Joseph, kay Dave Gianan, Princess Tanay, and Danica Sandagon. And of course, alam ko naghihintay na po kayo ngayong hapon na ito. And we're going to make the lineup, the starting lineup of both teams. At ngayong hapon na nga pong ito, magtatapos na itong ating series ng finals. Now, let us meet the starters of the ACLC Hawks. We have John Bernard Basagre, key player. Nako, excited ako makita yung performance dito ni Basagre ngayong hapon na ito. We have the team captain Guarin. We have Otolan, Bien, and Bautista. Now, let us all meet the starting lineup, of course, on the side of the NCF Tigers. Ngayon, ano kaya yung ipapakita dito ng NCF Tigers? We have Diamante. We have Borromeo, Delovieres, Aike, na Mobilio on that starting lineup. Vargas, mukhang wala ngayon sa starting lineup ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. So let's see kung ano nga ba yung pagbabago sa game plan dito ni Coach Alwin. Now that Vargas, one of the key players of the NCF, wala ngayon sa starting lineup. And as we can see right now, the fans are already here. And even our live viewers, ready na para sa bakbakan nito. Shoutout kay Alex Benamerito, Franco Mase, Beth Balani, Ken Sales, na nagpapashoutout kay Fatima Maria Balisoro, John Villano, at kay Joshua Rodrigueza. Maraming salamat po sa pag-antabay nyo ngayong hapon na ito. At magsisimula na nga itong ating bakbakan of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. Mixed emotion this afternoon, an excitement, nervousness. Talagang, ito na. This is the game time. Morin and Talovieras for the tip-off. Now, first ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see here. Dapat unang arangkada pa lang, bigay todo na itong ating dalawang kupunan. But this is just based on that game plan of these both teams. Now let's see here. Murillo, 15 seconds to shoot. Murillo tries for a 3, no good. Now Basagre with that rebound. Now Basagre to Bautista, now to Bien. Now heavily guarded here, Bautista to Bien, goes inside, first basket for the side of the ACLC Hawks. Ito yung kailangan nila. From the game to nakita na natin to eh. Napakaganda yung connection nito mga players ng ACLC Hawks. And it is really effective to have this kind of momentum para dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. But on the other side, yung ating NCF Junior Clubs. Ano kaya yung gagawin dito? Now let's take a look at it again. As Ike goes inside, and that ball possession will remain sa side ng Junior Cubs. Now, NCF on the offense, Murillo again. Passes here to Ike. Pero, naubusan na dito ng oras. We're only starting, but the NCF Tigers, hindi na kailangan na o kailangan talaga nila mag-double effort dito if they really want to win this game. As we can see, during the game 2, Diamante and Borromeo, hindi na pumapasok dito yung mga shoots nila during the second half of the game. So they need to double their effort. A lot of good gameplays for this both sides. Now let's see. There was a foul there. Now Borromeo on that free throw line for 2 shots. And Borromeo being consistent as one of the key players here on the side of the NCF. Pero mukhang hindi natin naramdaman yung magandang gameplay dito ni Borromeo during that second game. Dito talaga sila na nawala ng magandang momentum. Kaya kailangan nilang ibalik yung ganda ng laban, ganda ng laro na ipinapakita nila during the first part of this season. And now, Borromeo, agad namang bumawi dyan. Hindi man nakakuha yung dalawang free throws. Talagang with that offensive rebound, they got the first basket here on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see here if the ACLC Hawks will make it till the end. Ontola, no good. But an offensive rebound, Guarin! Grabe. Guarin, talagang isa din to sa kailangan na bantayan dito ng ating Junior Cubs because of that kind of defense. Talagang kaya makipagpakbakan doon sa ibaba. Now, Borromeo, no good. And that ball possession will go on the side of the NCF. Matchup of 2 of the greatest teams sa ating juniors division. Now let's see here. Borromeo passes to Diamante. 13 seconds to shoot here. Murillo. Foul was whistled here. Pushing foul, tatawag dito kay Borromeo. Now 14 seconds to shoot. De La Vieras, quick 3! That's effective. And now, having that 1-point lead, they need to be consistent right now. No room for error para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Dahil kayang humabol, napakabilis lang. And they can have a good gameplay here. Now 7 minutes and 44. Now ACLC on the offense. Let's see here. Bien, heavily guarded. Pass to Bautista, back to Viena, goes inside to Bigman Green. As you can see, that connection, napakaganda on that side of ACLC. Grabe yung pag-alalay dito sa lahat ng players ng ACLC. And they need this up until the fourth quarter. Now Diamante heavily guarded here. Pass to Murillo for another three. No good. Now it's time for the Hawks here to reclaim this win. Now Bien passes to Bautista for a fadeaway. No good. Dalo Vieras with that rebound. Now, we're halfway. We're almost halfway with our first quarter. IK. 12 seconds to shoot here. Murillo tries for a three-pointer. A fake one. And it passes to Borromeo. Borromeo. And Murillo with the third time of an attempt on the three-pointer line. That's a good one for the side of the Tigers. Palitan lang ng magandang scoring, magandang gameplay dito sa loob. And of course, on that side of the NCF, we have De Lovieres and Murillo ngayon. Yung maganda yung ipinapakita from that offense and the defense. While on the other side, we have Bautista, Guarin. Talagang nagpapakitang gilas dito. Now, Hawks again with that offense. Pasagre. No good. Doon sa kanyang signature move. Now, Murillo to try. Now, that's a 5 straight points coming from Murillo. What a game for him. What a start para dito sa ating Tigers. Now, let's take a look at it again. Supin passes to Murillo with the foul. And that will be a 3-point opportunity here for Murillo. And he needs this free throw. 6-10. Agad-agad nahahabol nitong ating NCF Tigers yung magandang momentum ng ACLC Hawks. Now that's good para dito kay Murillo. Maganda yung ipinapakita ngayon dito ni Murillo on that side of the NCF. 6-11 on our scoreboard. Now, it's the ball possession of the Cubs. And Borromeo having that point. Now the NCF Junior Cubs enjoying this set of our first quarter. Now, anong pambawi dito ng ACLC? Basagre. Pass to jersey number 17. No good. The Cubs still have an opportunity here to widen that gap. Romeo. Pass again to Murillo. Goes inside. And a steal here from the side of the Hawks. But that will be a turnover here. Lagundi Razon will be joining us on court. And Bien and Basagre will take a rest for a while here. Now let's see. Murillo with the ball. The passes to Borromeo. Let's see. Now Borromeo goes inside. Drives. No good. Now chance here. Pero a steal here. De Lovieres snatching that ball. Now Diamante for a three-pointer. No good. Bautista with that rebound. Heavily guarded here. Pass on the outside to Lagundi. Mid-range jumper. That's good. First basket para dito kay Lagundi. Bench point. Now De Lovieres step back for a three-pointer. Grabe, De Lovieres. Napakainit ng apelyido ngayon ni De Lovieres dito. Yun na po yung kanyang pangalawang 3-pointer. First quarter pa lamang yan. And a still coming from him. And that will be a point. 5 straight points coming from De Lovieres. Now, what a game for the side of the NCF. Bumabawi talaga yung kanilang ginagawa nila dito. Now, the Hawks struggling here with that kind of defense coming from the Cubs. No good. Now, an offensive rebound. Razon goes inside. Wala pa rin. De Lovieres with that rebound. The Cubs is really determined to get their championship this afternoon. But it won't be an easy matchup knowing that the ACLC Hawks babawi kung babawi. Now 14 seconds to shoot here. 8-18, a double-digit lead. An early double-digit para dito sa ating junior Cubs. Let's see as we continue this first quarter of the game. NCS basketball, Supin to inbound. Now, Diamante passes to Borromeo. No good on that 3-pointer. So you can see right now the NCF Junior Cubs. What a great performance sa ating first quarter. They just need to be consistent here with their plays, with their offense, as well as with their defense. Now, Diamante. And with that, a timeout was called on the side of the ACLC Hawks because of that great momentum coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Kitang-kita naman natin yung mainit na kamay ng mga players dito ng ating Cubs. Most especially De Lovieres having an 8 points dito sa ating first quarter. Dalawang 3-pointer yung nagawa niya. And of course, isa sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan sa depensa because of his height advantage na talagang malaking bagay ngayon sa laro nila against the ACLC Hawks. And of course, the rest of the players of the NCF Junior Cubs, we have Borromeo, Murillo din na talagang napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. While on the other side, kailangan pang magdoble effort itong ating ACLC Hawks because as we can see right now, they are struggling because of that tight defense coming from the NCF Junior Cubs, but they need to have a good gameplay here, good game plan if they really want to snatch this win. And of course, first quarter pa lamang to, kailangan nila ng magandang connection na pinakita nila during the first minutes of the first quarter. And now, as we are going back to the continuation of our first quarter, ano kayang pambawi dito ng ating ACLC Hawks to lessen that gap of the Cubs here? Now, Sandigan taking up their time. Heavily guarded here, passes to Razon. Razon against De Lovieres. Now, Mase heavily guarded here, but stepping on the line. So that will be a turnover. Ngayon, nagpakita na mali si Vargas on that side of the Cubs. 8-20. Malaki yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating Cubs. So what will they do to be consistent with their gameplay here? Tatawagan niya ng foul. 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. A quick shoutout lang sa ating 900 live viewers kay Mark Adagio, Danica Sandagon, kay Matthew Ibanez at kay John Polo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, De Lovieres or Loria papasok na dito sa loob ng court para sa side ng Cubs. Now let's see here. 8-21, Repilio. Pass to Razon. But a steal here, Vargas to Diamante. But a whistle foul here. Hawks is now on the penalty situation. And now, still the NCF Junior Cubs is not complacent here. Dahil mabilis lang kung hahabol itong ating ACLC Hawks. No good on that second free throw of, or on that first free throw of Diamante. Now, Diamante for his second free throw. That's good. Now ACLC stuck on 8 dito sa duration ng ating first quarter. Razon to try. And that's good. They stop the bleeding here. And they need to start recalibrating yung game plan dito ni Coach Paul on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Oh, what a connection here between the players of the Cubs. Loria having that great point. Now this is what the ACLC Hawks needs right now. A connection na naputol during the first few minutes of the first quarter. Now Rempilio, pass to the corner to Lagundi. Ay three-pointer. Nako, hindi din nilang hahayaan dito na mas lalong lumaki yung kalamangan ng NCF Junior Cubs. Now, 13 seconds to shoot here. Vargas, heavily guarded. Mid-range jumper, no good. But a whistled foul. Now Vargas will be on that free throw line. We needed some of a great combination sa side ng ACLC Hawks dahil ngayon ito yung kulang sa kanila. But paunti-unti na kukuha muli ng Hawks yung magandang gameplay dito. But seeing right now the gap of the NCF Junior Cubs, they need to double their effort now. Give their all because this is a do or die game. It's either you win or you go home. Now, Hawks on the offense. And that's an 8 seconds violation here. Another turnover para sa ACLC Hawks, a very crucial one. A minute and 21 seconds. Now Jacob, down to 10, and still here from the side of the Hawks. Rempilio, heavily guarded, loses that one, and the Cubs gets that ball possession and an opportunity for them. Cummins passes to Jacob. Now that's a traveling violation. So turnover din para dito sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now, 58 seconds remaining here. Bien. Passes. Naku naman. Another turnover dito sa side ng ACLC. So a lot of turnovers first quarter pa lang. Pero ang dami ng opportunity na wala dito sa side ng Hawks. Now let's see here. As the NCF Junior Cubs continues to get a point here. Cummins. Jacob, 5 seconds to shoot. Vargas now. An attempt, no good. And Lagundi having that ball. Passes to Basagre. And Basagre gets that basket. making it just an 11-point lead here. 25 seconds remaining. Comments. What will they do now? 18 seconds remaining on our first quarter, but 9 seconds on the shot clock of the Junior Cubs. Hindi ka na mawala ang bola. Tinapo na dito ni Vargas. Wala pa rin. And with that, the last ball possession for this quarter, 7 seconds remaining. Hawks needs to do something. Pero medyo napalakas yung pag-pass dyan. Murillo back on court. Look, shout out to Irish Francis, Ali Hernandez, kay Christian Villanueva, at kay John Benzino Borja. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, 4 seconds remaining. Romeo checking in para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now, with 4 seconds remaining, let's see what will happen here on the side of the Cubs having that 11-point lead. A very comfortable one, but still, yung momentum, kailangan pang hawakan pa rin nila dito. And the time was called here on the side of the NCF Tigers. 15:26. 3 seconds remaining here. At kitang-kita naman natin na umarangkada itong ating NCF Junior Cubs doon sa ating halfway ng first quarter, which is very good para sa kanila dahil ito nga yung gusto nilang mangyari ngayon, to really have this kind of momentum, a good gameplay, and also makuha yung magandang momentum para sa kanila. Napakaganda din ng connection ay pinapakita nila, and they just need to be consistent here. And after the second quarter, or after the first quarter, pagpasok natin ng second quarter, ano kaya yung gagawin ng ating ACLC Hawks para bumawi? Dahil nga nakita naman natin na medyo nahirapan sila because of that defense na pinapakita ng ating NCF Tigers. So now, as we continue here, both teams needs to adjust a lot of turnovers. Yung nai-record dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Now with just 3 seconds remaining, will the ACLC convert the point here? Basagre to inbound. Now pass to Bien, heavily guarded. And that will be the end of our first quarter. 15-27 or 26 in favor of the NCF Junior Cubs. We'll be back for more actions only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back for the second quarter of the finals Game 3, a do-or-die game between the NCF Tigers and the ACLC Hawks. And as we can see right now, 15-26 on our scoreboard, an 11-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. And just a quick recap on what really happened in our first quarter. We've seen a lot of gameplay here, most especially on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. What a great momentum here, a great connection between the players that really gave them the advantage on our first quarter, and now they need to be consistent here. But knowing the ACLC Hawks, they can also give us a clutch game this afternoon. Now, as we are going to start the second quarter, both teams needs to adjust something here, needs to adjust on their gameplay as well as with their ball possession. They really need to secure that every ball possession counts on their team, most especially on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, he's still here from the side of the NCF. Sutpin try, and that's good with the help of that ring bounce. Nakuha ni Sutpin yung unang basket para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Pero dito sa ating second quarter, the ACLC still struggling to convert a point here. And yung kaninang nakita nating connection ng mga players, ngayon yun yung kailangan nilang gawin to lessen that gap of the NCF. Because as we can see right now, napapalaki na po yung kalamakan na nagagawa ng ating Cubs ngayong hapon na ito. Now, a three-pointer coming from Jacob. Hindi pa tapos magpakitang gilas itong ating NCF Junior Cubs, but still we are on the starting of the second quarter. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari. And on that side of the ACLC, ano kaya yung naging plano dito ni Coach Paul? Dahil kung makikita natin, nahihirapan itong ating mga players to convert a point. And now, kung ano yung naging adjustment ng Hawks, yan ang ating kaalamin sa ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai! Update natin dyan.
Nagsimula ang laro sa isang Rizal, setting a respectful tone for the afternoon. The Hawks had an impressive opening, mabilis ang ball movement at agresibo ang mga drives to the basket. Nakuha nila ang maagang momentum dahil sa kanilang fast break at solidong offensive. Pero sa kalagitnaan nga ng first quarter, unti-unti silang nawala ng focus sa shot selection at turnovers. Kita pa na parang nagmamadali sila sa kanilang half-court sets. Nagkaroon din ng lapses sa defensive rotations, kaya't naibalik ng kalaban ang kanilang laro. As we head into the second quarter, the Hawks need to regroup. Be fast but don't rush. Ituloy ang mabilis na laro pero maging matalino sa bawat ball possession. If they can tighten up the defense and make better decisions on offense, they have a good chance to reclaim the control. Yan muna ang updates dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Yan nga dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks during the first minute of the first quarter. Kanina pa natin sinasabi na napakaganda nung kanilang connection na nagagawa. But pag dating nung second half or yung halfway of our first quarter, doon na nagkaroon ng problema dito with that kind of offense and defense from the side of the ACLC Hawks. And just like what Zai said, they can reclaim or they need to reclaim their momentum here inside the court, because as we can see right now, almost half yung puntos dito ng ACLC Hawks against the NCF Junior Cubs, and they really need to do something if they really want to get the momentum for this quarter of the game. Now, the NCF Junior Cubs still continuously having this great momentum and a great connection between the players. And now, he's still here from the side of the Hawks. Pero nagkakagawa ng bola dito. And the NCF Tigers having this 15-point lead. Ano pa kaya yung kailangan nilang baguhin sa kanilang gameplay? And to hear an update, we have Maui. Hi Maui, take it away.
Rick and team coming up to today's game for the most coveted title. Both of the teams have come a long way of struggles, joy, and emotions that define how journey have become in this season. It is now or never for the NCF Cup. That is why everyone are eager to step up and make the most out of every opportunity whenever they are on the hard court. Sabi nga ni Coach Alwin, wala na tong bukas at kailangan na nilang ibigay ang lahat sa game na to. Now that the ball is on the side of the Cubs, they need not to be complacent and protect their momentum. Now for more live action, just tune in at Bucal Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan nga, talagang kailangan na nilang gumawa dito ng paraan to protect their great momentum dito sa ating second quarter of the game. As we can see right now, the flow of the gameplay on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs, flawlessly yung pinapakita nila dito, but still a great gameplay and connection yung kailangan pa rin nila dito to be consistent with their gameplay. And now the Hawks needs that one, but kailangan pa nilang pagtrabahuhan yung malaking kalamangan na nagagawa dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now, with this ball possession of the NCF, let's see if they can continue to get a point. And that's Ike having a 2-pointer here for the side of the NCF. Now let's see, 6 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Razon, pass to Bien. And that ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Televiera's back on the court here sa ating second quarter. An exchange of Jacob. And Samuel was called here on the side of the ACLC Hawks after this timeout. Ano kaya yung gagawin ng ating ACLC Hawks, katulad ng sinasabi kanina ni Zai, na maipakita muli yung magandang connection ng mga players, magandang depensa as well as a good defense. But on the other side, the NCF Tigers, having this great momentum, yung kailangan lang nila is consistency, na talagang panghawakan nila, protektahan nila yung kalamangan na hawak nila ngayon against the ACLC Hawks. Now, 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, 18-33 in favor of the NCF Junior Cubs. And now, a quick shoutout lang tayo dito kay Richan Aligado, Lizlen Habala, Danica Sandagon, Colleen Castillo, Rosalina Sayaw, kay Nix Tokson Diswanko at kay Terry. Maraming salamat po sa pag-antabay and of course sa pagsuporta po dito sa ACLC and NCF Finals Game 3. Now, we need an intense matchup this afternoon. Kailangan makita muli natin kung ano yung pinakita ng dalawang kupunan nito during the Game 1 na talagang napaka-intense, napakadikit ng laban. Talagang hindi mo alam kung sino yung mananalo. And that's what we need this afternoon. An intense one with the players having a great momentum here. Now, ACLC on the offense. And still here, De La Vieras again. Nagbabalik dito sa score ng NCF at muling nagpapakitang gilas. Now Ike. Passes here to Loria. Now Borromeo goes inside and having that great point here. Now, ano babawi dito ng ACLC? A 6-minute mark here. Now, Bautista. Pass to Guarin. Guarin tries. No good. Now, every ball possession is important para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. They need to think first before going in. Now, Murillo goes inside! Grabe yung performance na pinapakita ngayon ni Murillo. Now, isa sa mga players ng NCF to look at dahil nagpapakitang gilas, nagpapakitang galing dito sa laro against the ACLC. But that will be another turnover ng ACLC Hawks. Naku, malaking problema na to para sa kanila. Dahil yung mga opportunity hindi nagagawa ng paraan dito. Ang daming oportunidad na nasasayang sa side ng ACLC Hawks. But now let's see here as De La Vieras with the ball tries, no good, but Bautista was there to get it. No. Bautista, pass to Bien. Back to Bautista here. 15 seconds to shoot. Will try to go inside. Heavily guarded here. No good. And Bien for an offensive rebound and having a point here. Now they need to step up. 17 big lead of the NCF. Napakalaki na yung hawak ng Cubs dito. Murillo again. Step back. Oh, Murillo. Mainit-init talaga yung laban na ipinapakita niya dito. What a good game coming from Murillo. Now Rebelio and Otolan back on the court for the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Borromeo. 4 minutes. Goes inside. No good. Too short for that one. Now, ACLC Hawks needs this. Wala pa rin. Baturin with that offensive rebound. Loses it. And another chance para sa Cubs. Aike. An offensive foul. Offensive foul yung itawag dito kay Aike. Napakabilis lang nung oras natin dito. Now ACLC. Kailangan nila ibalik yung momentum na nakita natin during the game number 2. It was a great momentum, a great connection, a great gameplay for the side of the ACLC. And now, hindi pa natin nakikita yung full potential nila. And we needed that. We need an intense matchup for the finals. And now, 20-39. What a big gap against the ACLC. And NCF still consistent sa loob ng court. Shoutout dito kay May Ann Jerez, Angel Atlao, kay Christina Valenzuela, Karen K. Escaro at Carla May Calieja. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkantabay. Now Rizon. No good. Nagkakagawan dito sa rebound. And that ball possession will go on the side of the Tigers again. Will the NCF reclaim the championship this season? Or it will be a history on the side of the ACLC Hawks having their first championship. Now Diamante, 14 seconds to shoot. To Supin, 3-pointer! And again, the NCF Junior Cubs hindi pa rin tapos na magpaulan ng puntos dito. And now as we can see, this is a very big gap. 21 points. Yung hawak na kalamangan ng Junior Cubs. At meron pa silang pagkakataon na mas palakihin yan. Supin passes to Diamante. Heavily guarded here. Now Supin goes inside again with a foul. Grabe yung ating NCF Junior Cubs ngayon. Now let's take a look at it again. As Supin fires for a 3-pointer. Having that big lead dito sa ating second quarter. Ngayon, very crucial na para sa ACLC Hawks. Kailangan na nilang gumawa ng paraan dito, maibaba, mabawasan yung magandang momentum na nagagawa ng NCF Junior Cubs. Now let's see here as we continue this second quarter of the game. Now Razon nagmamadali, goes inside, no good. Diamante secured that one. Ito yung mahirap ngayon na talagang nahihirapan yung mga players dito ng ACLC Hawks. But on that last sequence, an 8 seconds violation coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now Hawks on the offense. Sandigan to inbound. Now Basagre will try, passes to Razon. Still no good here. And even Basagre, we can still feel that connection, that gameplay coming from him. And we need that Basagre that we've seen during the game 2 of the finals. Now, almost loses it. Rempilio tries. That's good. Paunti-unti kailangan ng ACLC Hawks makuha yung mga puntos nila. Every ball possession counts now as we are fast approaching the second half of the game. Now, Sandigan passes to Rempilio. But a whistled foul. A minute and 42 seconds remaining. But a timeout here para sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Quick shoutout tayo dito kay KC Begardon, John Manuel Delanco, kay Noelyn Morfil, kay Kyle Jillian Magadia, at kay Saisal Kylie. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabayan. As we can see right now, the ACLC Hawks is still struggling para dito ng sa ating second quarter. Well, on the other side, the NCF Junior Cubs 23-44. Big gap yung nagawa na nila dito, and they're now on the penalty situation. A minute and 42 seconds remaining. Now, after this timeout, ano kaya yung gagawin ng ating ACLC Hawks para mabawasan yung kalamangan ng NCF Junior Cubs? Now Rempilio on the free throw line. They need that. Now let's see for that second free throw. Now Rempilio. Second free throw. That's good. 2-on-2 para dito sa Hawks. Now they need to do something that before the second quarter ends, ay talagang bumaba yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng NCF. They need to tighten their defense now. A good offense, a good gameplay, yung kailangan ng ACLC Hawks ngayon. Now, Japante! Whoa! What a great offense here right now. Jersey number 77 with that foul. Now Green. No good. Now second free throw of Guarin. He needs this one. 25-46. That's good. Minute and 21. Now 20-point lead coming from the side of the Cubs here. Supin heavily guarded. 15 seconds to shoot. Now Supin against Razon for the fadeaway shot. Supin again. Now, Marin loses that one. Borromeo running with the ball. And that ball possession will go on with the ACLC Hawks. 48 seconds remaining. Now ACLC needs to have a good ball possession here. Good offense. Basagre. A three-pointer. No good. Jamante secured that one. 36 seconds remaining. Now Murillo. Nagmamadali dito. Wala. Para dito. Kaya Santiago. Basagre. Step back. Rimpilio for a three-pointer. Still no good. Lost opportunity here. But it's still their ball possession once more. Para dito kay Rimpilio. Sandigan. 9 seconds. It was a foul. Now Rimpilio will be on that free throw line. 26-48. 7 seconds. Now Sandigan. Two free throws for him. No good. Yung kahit free throws, kailangan ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks to lessen that gap na nagawa ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Both this team needs to be consistent right now. Nagkakaagawa na. And this time, it is the ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs. Three seconds before the first half ends. Murillo. Now Murillo. And that's the end of our first half. 26-48, the big gap of the NCF Junior Cubs. We will be back for the finals game 3 of the two teams.
Sa pagdiriwang natin ng Kapaskuhan ngayong taon, isa puso natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, ang pagkilos ng magkakasama bilang isang komunidad at isang institusyon. Ang Pasko ay panahon ng pagtutulungan kung saan wala dapat maiiwan at ang bawat isa ay bahagi ng pagbangon at tagumpay. May this season inspire each and every Tiger to reach out to those in need, extend our blessings, and build a stronger NCF community and beyond. Together, let us move forward with a commitment that no one will be left behind. Let us ensure that every Enciano, Nagueño, and Bicolano is valued and uplifted. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat.
Paskong may pagkakaisa.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences.
And we are back here for our second half on the finals game 3 of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Junior Cubs. And of course, para makasama po ako ngayong hapon na ito para sa bakbakan ng ating dalawang kupunan, we have our commentator, Rick. Hi Rick! Kumusta naman ngayon? And of course, yung laban nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito, napakaganda. Mas lalo na ngayong third quarter of the game.
Ayan, good afternoon Bicolandia at nasasaksiyan nga natin dito ang pagsisimula ng ating third quarter bakbakan. Again, matchup between the NCF Tigers and the ACLC Hawks. So this is the game 3 of their final encounter here in Bucal Season 6. Ayan, ang naiwan na ating score is 48-26. Abante po dito ang ating NCF Tigers. Now, Borromeo tries for that one at makakapasok para sa kanilang kupunan. So a great game number 3 para dito sa ating NCF Tigers kasi nakita natin yung momentum coming from the first quarter up until the second quarter. And ngayon, nagsimula sila ng napakagandang layup coming from Borromeo. So ano kaya ang magiging sagot dito when it comes on the ACLC Hawks? Because again, lumolobo na po dito ang kalamangan na dapat nilang trabahuhin para dito sa ating finals game 3. Now Borromeo again. Diamante, heavily guarded here, 10 seconds to shoot. Vargas fires for long three, no good. Now chance for the ACLC Hawks here to score. No good. Diamante. Muntik pang maagawan. And the ball possession will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Or rather, NCF Cubs. Villaveras to inbound. Another opportunity on the side of their team to strengthen their lead dito sa ating third quarter. And to hear an update on the side of the NCF Cubs, let's call our courtside reporter Maui. Hi Maui, ano pa ang gagawin dito ng ating NCF Cubs upang manatiling maganda ang kanilang momentum?
Bicolandia, we are now at the fourth and the final stretch of the most thrilling action here at Bucal Season 6. At damang-dama nga ang mainit na suporta sa ating dalawang teams ngayong araw na ito. The offense and defense of the Cubs seems to be working well at this time, with Morelia and St. as an effective scoring machine for the Cubs earlier on the second quarter, helping the team when it matters the most. From that time out, Coach Alwin reminded the team for them to continue what they're doing as this pressures their opponents. Will the Cubs continue their momentum and reclaim their former glory? We will find that out only here on Bucal Season 6, where future rise. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Maui. So, medyo excited dito si Maui because ang nasabi niya kanina is nasa fourth quarter na tayo. But again, this is third quarter para dito sa bakbakan ng dalawang koponan na ito. And yun nga, napakinggan natin ang kanyang report. Kailangan dito maging consistent ditong ating NCF Cubs because on their second game on this final, talagang napakaganda dito ng trinabaho ng ating ACLC Hawks. Talagang nabaliktad dito yung momentum at napunta sa kanila. Let's see kung dito patuloy bang aarangkada ang NCF Cubs or hahayaan ulit nilang magkaroon ng magandang momentum dito ang ACLC Hawks.
And now NCF on the offense again, 28-50, a 22-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Masyad ng malaki yung nagagawang kalamangan dito ng ating NCF. And as we can see right now on our halftime analysis, ay 19 turnovers yung nagawa dito ng ACLC Hawks na ngayon kailangan nilang gawa ng paraan para ma-reclaim again yung magandang gameplay nila dito. And now, a whistle foul after that last sequence. 28-50, and the ACLC Hawks still struggling here to convert a point, to have a good gameplay. Parang pinaramdam lang sa kanila during the first minutes of the first quarter yung magandang connection dito ng mga players, pero napag-iwanan sila pagkatapos nung pagkalahati ng ating first quarter. Up until now, na third quarter tayo, ramdam pa rin natin yung struggling nitong ating ACLC Hawks, kaya kailangan nilang gumawa ng paraan dito to really have a good gameplay. At para malaman natin kung ano nga ba yung gagawin ng ACLC Hawks to have a good connection here, we have Zai. Hi Zai, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Rick. And then the Hawks are showing a lot of energy as they push the tempo, pero masyadong mabilis na naman ang opensa nila, leading to rushed shots and turnovers. Makikita rin na hindi sila sumusunod sa kanilang running lanes, which is disrupting the spacing and the flow of their transition bumalanse ito sa mas maayos na opensa. Heading into the final quarter, the Hawks needed to slow down their offense, execute better in the half court, and stick into their fundamentals. If they can clean up their spacing and decision-making, their defensive pressure could pave the way for a strong finish. That's all the updates I have for now here at the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Ayan, thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, they need a better offense at this moment because nagagawa naman ng paraan when it comes to their defense. But again, medyo kapas dito sa kanilang opensa. And speaking of offense, Sutpin fires for the 3-pointers. Wow, this is the offense na kailangan din ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, let's see on the 6 minutes and 18 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter kung magkakaroon ba dito ng turnaround of events dito sa ating araw na ito. Now, ACLC with a ball possession, 5 to shoot. At yun nga, Guarin makakakuha dito ng magandang puntos para sa kanilang kupunan. Again, according to their head coach, they need a better and good offense at this time. Now NCF with the ball possession. Vargas to Sutpin with 5 seconds to shoot. No good on that last attempt. Now ACLC Hawks on the offense. Pasagre, no good. Great defense on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now Borromeo dribbling the ball, looking for his teammate. Five seconds to shoot. Borromeo in an out ball, no good. Now Bautista, nagmamadali, passing the ball to his teammate. And a foul on the side of the NCF Cubs. So opportunity para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Clean basket on that first attempt. And let's see one more time. Now NCF basketball.
Now Sutpin forced for a 3-pointer. What a good combination here for the side of the NCF. Sutpin. Napakaganda nung ipinapakita dito sa ating third quarter.
And a quick shoutout din sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay Alex Benemerito, kay Ken Sales, Ariana Marie Bacaro, kay Christian Wesley Villanueva. Maraming salamat po sa panunood at pagsuporta.
Now, the NCF Tigers is still having a great momentum here. While on the other side, the ACLC Hawks struggling. They need to do something about this because we're halfway through the third quarter. Now, Green with that offensive rebound. Still no good here. Santiago securing that rebound. Malapit na tayo sa last quarter. Deciding quarter kung sino nga ba ang uuwing talo at sino nga ba ang mag-uuwing kampiyon sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now, 14 seconds remaining on the side of the Hawks here. Now they need to do something. 34-56, 22-point lead. And Garin naibabayan sa 20 points.
Nice move on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, nabanggit mo nga kanina, malalaman na natin dito kung sinong makakauwi ng kampyonato. It's now or never for these both teams. Now, NCF will try for 3, no good. ACLC with a rebound.
Now, Basagre. Hinihintay natin dito yung magandang connection ni Basagre with the rest of the players. Razon, no good on that 3-point attempt. NCF may pagkakataon ditong mas mapalaki yung kalamangan na hawak nila.
Sutpin to Borromeo. Heavily guarded here. But a great steal on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Basagre. Itatawid ang bola and tries for that one. No good, and a whistle coming from our referee. Basagre on that free throw line for 2 shots.
Now,
Basagre, kailangan ditong maipasok itong mga opportunity ganito because paunti-unti, kailangan nila ditong bawasan itong kalamangang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers.
now quick shoutout tayo dito kay John Manuel Dilanco, Rosaline Cambusa, Vince Limbo, Noelin Morfil Laika Parado, John Patrick Tares, kay Vince Limbo, kay Princess Tanay at kay John Philip Tanggalon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-atabay. Now, jersey number 7 Santiago with that foul. And Gorin naman ngayon ang nasa free throw line. And as you can see right now, the NCF Junior Cubs is on the penalty.
Ito din ang kailangan ditong iwasan ng ating NCF Cubs, ang kanilang mga foul and turnovers because again, nakita natin yung ginawa dito ng ating ACLC Hawks doon sa ating second round. Talagang napakaganda ng simula ng ating NCF Cubs, but again, coming from the third quarter up until the last quarter, sumiklab itong ating ACLC Hawks. Let's see kung magagawa pa ba dito ng ating ACLC Hawks yung nagawa nila on that second round.
Now, Gorin, second free throw. No good. And Borromeo secured that ball possession. Now, Aike passes to Borromeo. Back to Aike. 10 seconds to shoot now. An inside pass to Santiago. Now, Borromeo heavily guarded here. Down to 3 seconds. They need to do something right now. No good. Now, Razon with that rebound. Lagundi ngayon. Papasok sa loob. Passes to the other side. Rampilio. Anong gagawin nila dito? 13 seconds to shoot. Na-tries. And that's a long two para dito kay Rampilio. Medyo nahirapan na doon kung sino yung papasahan niya dahil grabe yung gwardiya dito ng NCF Junior Cubs.
Now, NCF Cubs, they need a point conversion. Morillo, heavily guarded, passing the ball to Aike. Aike on their side for 3, no good.
And now, this is an opportunity for the ACLC. Naibaba po nila sa 17 points na lamang yung meron ngayon na kalamakan ang NCF Junior Cubs. At kanina pa, na double digit yung hawak ngayon ng NCF. And they need to do something para paunti-unting mabawasan yung kalamangan ng mga Tigre. Ngayon, Rampilio. 17 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Bien. Now they need to have a good play here. Make sure that every possession counts. Nagkakagawa ng ball possession, but Hope was there to secure that one. And that's a foul. Ball possession of the NCF. Yung katulad nga nung sinabi dito ni Coach Paul na talagang paigtingin lang nila yung mga ball possession na meron sila. Huwag magmadali. Don't pressure themselves, but also do their best. Now, Razon with that rebound. Pass to Lagundi. Now, is 17-point lead here. Papasok sa loob. But Aike was there to steal that ball. Nagmamadali dito. And Aike, no good. That ball will stay on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs.
Ngayon, NCF Cubs naman team dito ang medyo hirap when it comes to their offense. But good thing, nasa kanila pa rin dito ang ball possession. 17 seconds to shoot. Aike. With 10 seconds to shoot. Passing the ball to Jacob, and that's it. What a connection in that last sequence.
Now ACLC on the run here. Balik sa 19-point lead, 39 seconds. Nako, talagang sinisecure na ng NCF Junior Cubs yung malaking kalamangan niyon. 19-point lead.
Morillo fires for 3, no good. Now ACLC Hawks losing that one. So again, opportunity on the side of the Cubs. 13 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter. Morillo. Itatawid ang bola with 8 seconds remaining. Aike to Morillo. Fires for that one. At makakakuha pa dito ng napakagandang buzzer beater shot. Itong si Morillo. 60-39 on our scoreboard. Ayan, let's see one more time on our replay. Morillo fires for 2. And makakapasok pa nga sa aming pagbabalik. Masasaksihan na natin ang ating fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng bakbakang NCF Cubs versus ACLC Hawks. 60-39 on our scoreboard. And again, double-digit lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs. Ano ang gagawin dito ng ating ACLC Hawks? Because this is the final stretch for their team to get this win. Pero dito naman sa side ng ating NCF Cubs, talagang they need to be consistent at damihan pa dito yung napakagandang mga opensa to secure their championship title here in Bucal Season 6.
And now, NCF on the run. Morillo again to fire with that two-pointer. No, Morillo, may init-init para sa bakbakan ng ACLC. Kanina pa, dito sa ating first quarter itong si Morillo at mukhang napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita niya. 39-62. A 23-point lead. Napakalaking kalamangan na po. This is the last stretch of our matchup this afternoon. Deciding quarter na to. At mapapangalanan na natin kung sino ba ang magiging kampiyon ng Juniors Division ngayong season na ito. Now, Murillo again to try. No good this time. Now, Basagre with that rebound. Nagmamadali dito. What an offensive foul. Sayang yun para dito kay Basagre.
And now, nakikita natin dito na medyo nahihirapan si Basagre because medyo nabasa dito ng ating NCF Cubs ang galaw nitong si Basagre. But to know what are the adjustment para dito sa fourth and final quarter, tawagin natin ng courtside reporter on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Zai, anong gagawin dito ng inyong kupunan to secure their win against the NCF Cubs?
Here we are at the last quarter, ang huling quarter. Ang focus ng Hawks ay sa paggawa ng bawat possession na count. Alam nila na kailangan nilang ipatuloy ang momentum nila sa finals. They were more aggressive, attacking the basket to look for a high percentage shots and drawing fouls. This aggressive approach created more scoring opportunities, pero nagsistruggle pa rin sila sa consistency. Hindi na-convert ang ilang key chances. While defensive din and reg, patuloy silang nag-a-apply ng pressure, pero hindi ito sapat para makabalik ang laban. Ang kalaban ay nakapakinabang sa kanilang defensive lapses, especially when the Hawks left gaps open for easy baskets. Despite the effort, the Hawks couldn't regain the lead at the closing moments. As they look ahead, the Hawks need to maintain their intensity and focus, especially in maintaining the basket. Every possession counts dito sa finals, kaya kailangan nilang i-channel ang kanilang energy sa smart decision-making at executing plays under pressure. That's all the updates I have for now. Balik sa inyo, Rigetin.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, medyo talagang nahihirapan itong ating ACLC Hawks na maging consistent no, sa kanilang ipinapakitang laro ngayong hapon na ito. And as we can see on the side of the NCF Tigers, they still continue to give us a good fight. But at this moment, the ACLC Hawks needs to step up. As in, to step up, kailangan nila ng magandang depensa, na talagang opensa na ipapakita nila against the NCF Tigers. And now, this is the last quarter. This is their last game. They need to have this great momentum. At huwag na lang hayaan na agad-agad makuha ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na to. Kailangan nilang lumaban. And now, this is the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. They need to do something here. Now Bautista. 18 seconds to shoot. Now goes inside to Guarin. Guarin tries. And the free throw is secured to Guarin. And to hear an update kung ano pa nga bang gagawin dito ng NCF Tigers having that big gap against the ACLC. Andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Maui. Hi Maui, take it away.
Bicolandia, we are now at the fourth and the final stretch of the post-drilling game and the Bucal Season 6. A revenge arc served by the NCF Cubs to the Hawks with an exemplary performance, giving them a huge deficit. We can see Xavier Sitpin being unstoppable in the hard court, showing his finest moves. Now that they are 10 minutes away from the championship, the coach has reminded the team na dagdagan ang kanilang depensa for them to fully grasp the championship. The heart, the determination, and the passion, that are the things that constitute these players, making them the champions. Balik sa inyo!
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Maui. Talagang, ito na lang yung kailangan gawin dito ng NCF Tigers. Yung napakagandang depensa at dagdagan pa or palubuhin itong hawak nilang kalamangan to secure their ticket sa ating Bucal champion title. Now, ACLC Hawks with the ball possession.
Now, Rempilio, 15 seconds to shoot. Anong gagawin nila dito? Rempilio, no good. No foul. Now, NCF securing that one. Now, Ike. 7-minute mark now. 40-64. 24 big point lead of the NCF. Now, let's see here. But a traveling violation here. Now, ito yung mga turnovers ng NCF kailangan gawing advantage na ng ACLC. At katulad nga nung sinabi dito during the third quarter is kailangan yung mga ball possession nila hindi nila minamadali. Slowly but surely, pakunti-kunti, binabawasan nila yung kalamangan na meron sila against the NCF Junior Clubs para hindi lumaki ng ganito. And of course, medyo mahihirapan nila na sila because we only have 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. So it will be hard having this 24-point lead. Kaya titinan pa natin kung ano ba ang mangyayari with this remaining minutes of the game. Now, Basagre goes inside. Nagmamadali dito. Pumawi naman agad. Now, let's see. They need to be consistent right now. But, Chamante andun para kumuha ng puntos. At ibalik sa 24 ang kalamangan ng NCF.
And now ACLC Hawks, another opportunity on their side. No good. Borromeo on the side of the Cubs. Nagmamadali dito, forcing that one. At another point conversion on their side. Back-to-back point conversion for both teams. Ito yung hinihintay dito ng dalawang community natin. Yung talagang tik-tik at pakpakan when it comes to their offense. Offensive rebound coming from Loria, pero wala pa din. Now, ACLC Hawks aiming to get another beautiful conversion para dito sa ating natitirang 5 minutes and 39 seconds. No good. Hakub for that rebound. Passing the ball to Diamante. And now Diamante with no hesitation papasukin yung gitna at makakakuha ng 2 points on their side. ACLC Hawks fires for 3 and that's good. Supin with the ball on the side of the NCF Cubs, heavily guarded here by 2 Hawks player and a great steal on their side. Another 3-pointers, no good. Borromeo, heavily guarded by Basagre. 10 seconds on the shot clock on the side of the Tigers. And a shot clock violation on their side, so automatically ball possession will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. But a timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers, 70-47. We'll be right back after the short commercial break. And we are back here sa pagpapatuloy ng ating fourth and final quarter. Mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live audiences. Shoutout kay Casey Gonzalez Begardon, kay Von Hernandez, kay Tim Giba, kay Amanda Lazaro. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at suporta.
And now as we can see right now, 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining here. 23 big point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. It will be so hard for the ACLC na habulin pa itong napakalaking kalamangan na to. Ngayon pa na napakaganda ng momentum na hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. And to hear a quick update from the side of the NCF, we have Maui. Maui, take it away.
Bicolania, we are minutes away before the Cubs have finally reclaimed their former glory. Their hard work and determination have paid, and now everyone on the team are stepping up, doing their utmost effort to contribute in scoring. This has been Maui Balane reporting from the side of the home of the champions, NCF Cubs. Balik sa inyo, Rick and team.
Ayan, thank you so much, Maui. Last 3 minutes and 42 seconds for this game, and still NCF dominating this hard court. Now, what would be the final moment para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito? ACLC with the ball possession.
Now ACLC on the run here. 13 seconds to shoot. Rampillo. It passes to Lagundi. Now Lagundi tries. No good. And still, that ball will go on the side of the NCF. 3 minutes and 13. 20 points. Yung hawak ng NCF Junior Cubs. And now to hear an update from the side of the ACLC, Zai, take it away.
And Rick, here we are at the last 3 minutes of the quarter, and I feel nothing but tension as I sit on my chair. The last 3 minutes of the game can either determine the loss or the victory of our soaring Hawks. Well, as a courtside reporter of these talented young men, I feel nothing but happiness as they manage to earn a spot sa ating finals. I know for a fact that they played from the deepest part of their hearts, and the ACLC community couldn't be more prouder of them as they end the Season 6 of Bucal with a great standing. Let's cheer them on for the last 3 minutes. Go forth and go high, our victors of the sky. This is your ACLC courtside reporter, Shula Morzai-Mignano, and I'll catch you at the next season of Bucal's Men's Basketball Division. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that, Zai. So again, napakaganda po ng nilaban dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. And tamang-tama nga naman yung sabi dito ni Shulamar, their courtside reporter, na ito, yung ACLC Hawks na kilala ng kanilang community. Kaya talaga namang proud na proud dito yung kanilang kupunan. So again, nothing to be ashamed kung sino ang matatalo dito sa ating larong ito. But again, congratulations kung sino din ang makakakuha ng championship sa Bucal Season 6. Now, time out para dito sa dalawang kupunan because one of the player on the side of the NCF Cubs is down. So it's Vargas on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Now 2 minutes and 41 seconds remaining here. Now 13 seconds to shoot. And nakakagawa ng bola dito ay still over the side of the NCF. And now, with 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, a very hard matchup para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Because naputol agad during the first quarter. At talagang kinuha agad ng NCF Cubs yung magandang momentum dito. But let's see if they can still lessen that gap. Razon, 18 seconds to shoot here. Goes inside, but a foul was whistled here. And he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots.
And ayan, shoutout tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Meme Rock, also known as Rocky Cebuyo. And kay Amanda Lazaro na nakatutok dito sa ating mainit na bakbakan.
First free throw coming from Razon is good. Now, nagkakaagawan dito. And that ball possession will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 51-17. 2 minutes and 3. We are fast approaching the last 2 minutes of the finals game 3 of a do-or-die game of the ACLC and the NCF Junior Clubs. And that's it. We are now on the last 2 minutes of the game. And Sandigan having that big 3-pointer here. Down to 16. Now let's see here if they can still have a chance. Borromeo passes to Murillo. 12 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here.
And foul was called on Sandigan. Substitution para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. Aike babalik sa loob ng court. Now Murillo to inbound with 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining for this game. Aike heavily guarded here. 5 to shoot. Murillo goes inside. But shot clock violation was called on the side of the NCF Cubs. So another opportunity on the side of the ACLC Hawks, and penalty situation na ang ating NCF.
Now, ACLC on the run here with 16-point lead coming from the side of the NCF. Now Sandigan for a 3-pointer again. No good this time. Santiago without rebound.
Ayan, Tina, a quick shout out on our live audience. Shout out kay Jared Bahay at kay JC Claro. Thank you so much for watching.
Now, no good at that one. 48 seconds remaining. And we're just waiting for the confirmation here of our referees and the officials. Because 54-17, a big 16-point lead of the NCF. And with this remaining time, it will be so hard for the ACLC. But still, a good matchup we've seen this afternoon. And also, doon sa game number 1 and game number 2, na talagang napakaganda nung ibinigay na laban itong ating dalawang koponan. Nabasagre with that free throw. 56-17, 14. Pero 44 seconds na lamang ang natitira sa atin. And nagsama was called para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. 44.90 counts yung natitirang segundo dito sa finals game 3, the final stretch of the matchup of the ACLC and the NCF. And as we can see right now, 56-70 with a 14-point lead coming from the side of the NCF. What a great matchup we've seen this afternoon, and also what a great combination of plays dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. At na-miss din natin yung magandang laban ng ACLC, yung intense matchup na ibinigay nila na ngayon hindi nga natin masyadong naramdaman. Most especially, nasa finals game 3 pa tayo, but still, grabe din yung pinagdaanan nitong ating mga koponan nito. The ACLC and the NCF both are deserving na nandito sa finals. Now, we can hear the cheering of the NCF community because in just a few seconds, we're going to name the champions of our juniors division, Bucal Season 6. Now this is the ball possession of the NCF Cubs. 44 with Murillo to inbound.
And shoutout muna tayo, Tin, kasi nanunood dito ang estudyante ng ating NCF sa ST Quad. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And again, thank you so much po sa IT ng ating school, NCF.
Now, again, 44 seconds remaining here. 56-70. NCF on the offense now.
Quick shout out to Sir Jeff Piconcillo, ang ITSO ng NCF.
Ayan, nagkakaintang na dito between the players. .38 seconds remaining. 56-70. Now, ang daming nanonood sa atin para sa bakbakan ito. This is the final game of our Bucal Season 6. Grabe din yung naging journey natin, Rick, dito sa season ng Bucal. And now, as we can see, Murillo on that free throw line. Both teams are now on the penalty. First free throw was good. 56-71, adjusting that big gap here.
38 seconds remaining. Ball possession will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Now Rampilio, heavily guarded here. And that ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 30 seconds na lamang po, pero malaking kalawangan pa rin ang hawak ng NCF Tigers. What a great game. What a great set of players here for both teams. Now Rampilio, first free throw was good, but we can't deny the fact that I think this afternoon, muling magbabalik or muling ibabalik yung championship dito sa kabilang kupunan. Now, this is their ball possession. 30 seconds remaining. NCF on the offense loses that one, but it will stay on their side here with 20 seconds to shoot and 26 seconds remaining for the final stretch of the finals game 3.
NCF Cubs to inbound. Santiago, heavily guarded here. And ball possession will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
And now, with this few seconds remaining, let us all give thanks sa lahat ng players ng ACLC Hawks for giving us a good fight. Being in the finals is not easy. And also fighting with the NCF Tigers because both teams, sila talaga yung nag-step up, sila yung nagpakitang gilas dito. At talagang handang-handa, grabe din yung pinagbago sa gameplay nitong ating ACLC Hawks because knowing that last season, hindi sila nakatuntong ng ating finals. But now, this is a history for their school. This is a history for their institution. Dahil at last, nasa finals sila. A finals appearance. And next year, next season, titignan natin kung ano pa nga bang magagawa dito ng ACLC. But now, here we are as we announce that the champions of the Bucal Season 6 is none other than the Naga College Foundation Tigers. And again, congratulations sa ating ACLC Hawks for giving us a good fight. What a journey, what a game we've witnessed this afternoon. And of course, napakaganda po ng laro na ipinakita din po ng ating ACLC Hawks.
Ayan, team. So congratulations to these two great teams sa Bucal Season 6. And maya-maya po, makikilala natin ang ating Finals MVP only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The NCF Wings and ACLC Hawks have battled it out for 5 episodes, but only one team stood out to claim the coveted title of Bucal Season 6 Juniors Basketball. Let us meet first. The first runner-up, this team never missed a knockout game from their first season as a promising up and rising team in Season 4. Battering the blue and white, the mighty wings of the Hawks final finishing their chapter as podium finishers. And first runner-up for this season, let's give it up for the AMA Computer Learning Center Hawks! Please proceed up the center court to claim your medals and trophies for the season. together with them is their sixth man. The best crowd ever for 3 consecutive seasons. The AMA Computer Learning Center community. It is Coach David Espontes retired in the finals for the first time, where he also led the Ateneo Golden Knights seniors team from Season 1 to Season 2, getting them in the finals against the NCF Tigers, winning first runner-up trophies, and now winning his first runner-up title as head coach of the ACLC Hawks. Together with him is their assistant coach. The road to redemption is finally completed. After a one-year title rout, they are once again back on top of the hill as champions of Bucal. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the new kings of Bucal, the Tigers of the Naga College Foundation. Together with him is the championship caliber head coach, Alvin Margalio, who also won Coach of the Year award for the juniors division and was a part of the champion team of the seniors division. Let us also acknowledge this year's finals defensive player of the game. With 25 rebounds, 4 steals, and 5 blocks, averaging 8.33 rebounds per game, 1.33 steals per game, and 1.66 blocks per game. Let's give it up for number 11, Jake Diamante. And let's now meet the MVP for this season. He is called by the Tigers as the Mr. Cupido of the NCF Cubs with 43 points, 21 rebounds, 15 assists, and 9 steals, averaging 14.33 points per game, 7 rebounds per game, 5 assists per game, and 3 steals per game. It is none other than number 13, John Benedict Parameo. Let's put our hands together for the champions of this season, the Naga College Foundation Cubs. They are also champions for this season and will receive a gift check, a 10,000 gift check from Biggs. The Tigers have completed the redemption tour together with their counterparts, the NCF Tigers. Let's put our hands together to this year's first runner-up, the ACLC Hawks, and the champions, the Naga College Foundation Cubs. We also would like to greet a happy birthday to Coach John Paul Deswanco.
Sa pagdiriwang natin ng Kapaskuhan ngayong taon, isa puso natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, ang pagkilos ng magkakasama bilang isang komunidad at isang institusyon. Ang Pasko ay panahon ng pagtutulungan kung saan wala dapat maiiwan at ang bawat isa ay bahagi ng pagbangon at tagumpay. May this season inspire each and every Tiger to reach out to those in need, extend our blessings, and build a stronger NCF community and beyond. Together, let us move forward with a commitment that no one will be left behind. Let us ensure that every Enciano, Nagueño, and Bicolano is valued and uplifted. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat.
Paskong may pagkakaisa.
There you have it. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion Leap into the Future. And together with me is our best player of the game, jersey number 13, John Benedict Borromeo. And this is his combined statistic coming from the game on up until this last game. 14.33 points per game, 7 rebounds per game, 5 assists per game, and 3 steals per game. So congratulations, Borromeo, on your win dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. And ano yung nararamdaman mo na ikaw yung naging best player and at the same time na ibalik na sa NCF ang Bucal Championship?
Sobrang saya ko po ngayon and di ko po talaga masabi, wala po akong masabi kasi ito po talaga ang pinakapangarap ko simula last year. Dahil natalo po kami and pinaghirapan po talaga namin itong season na to dahil ito talaga po ang pinakapangarap namin na mag-champion po. Yun lang.
And talagang napakaganda ng nilaro nyo dito sa ating game number 3. So ano yung message mo sa NCF community na patuloy na sumusuporta simula at hanggang dito sa pagtatapos ng Bucal Season 6?
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa NCF community na walang sawang pagsuporta. Diyos mabalos po sa inyo ka boss na nagsusuporta digde. And kinamama po, kinamama, papa, ate, kuya, na maski nasa arong po siya, maski po nasa arong sinda, sige nindang naod, di po sinda nakakadigde. Salamat po sa indo para sa indo po yung kawat ko. And kay Pres Mario po, na tinawan niya ako digding oportunidad na makakawat sa Bucal Season 6. And kina-serving sa mga PD po na nagtitawang ang mga makakulog po sa lawas.
Ayan, talagang napakaganda ng nilaro dito ng NCF Cubs. Again, congratulations kasi naibalak na dito sa NCF yung championship title ng Bucal Season 6. Again, this is our best player of the game and our finals MVP, John Benedict Borromeo.
And that's our finals MVP, jersey number 13, John Benedict Borromeo. And of course, napakagandang bakbakan po ang ating napanood. And of course, congratulations din po sa ating ACLC Hawks para sa magandang laban na kanilang ipinakita. And of course, Rick, this is the last game para sa ating Bucal Season 6. Kaya gusto lang din po namin pasalamatan lahat ng nakasama natin ngayong season na to, Rick.
Ayan, talagang papasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge ICT Solution Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated.
Aman Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG, Department of Agriculture Bucal. Special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics. We also have our Bucal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and Ngoen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated.
At syempre, hindi ito magiging masiklab or maganda ang every games dito sa Bucal kung wala ang ating mga courtside reporters. Thank you so much kay Lizlyn Habala, Kyla Casulia, Alaysa Respeto, Chen Nicolas, Casey Anchoquia, Maui Balane, Hannah Moral, Veronica, kay Zay Menyano, IC, kay Amanda Lazaro, maraming salamat po. And of course, our commentators, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na panunood dito sa Bucal Season 6. Thank you so much kay Jasper Abante, LA Lapid, at ang ating guest commentators, we have Aljan Pogoy at kay Mark Amante. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, pasalamatan lang din natin ang mga nakasama natin sa logistics, gatekeepers, Bucal Executive, table officials and referees, ang ating One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV team. We have Sir Mario Villanueva, Sir Jaya, Ma'am Irene, Sir RJ, Sir Kim, Sir Jameson, Ma'am Janjan, Sir James, Brian, and Marniela Berido. Maraming salamat po dahil sa napakagandang season na ibinigay po natin ngayon.
Talagang napakaganda ng Bucal Season 6, and of course, thank you so much po sa lahat ng tumutok sa ating live audiences sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga sa walang sawang pagsusuporta. Till next season, again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Only here ang mga bakbaka na Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.